Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the new box view commenting and annotating tool in BlackBoard. In CrocDoc, you have your toolbar that has the functions of three types of comments: the drawing, highlighting, annotation, and strikeout. They are going away when we go to new box view. Your screen is going to now look like this in new box view. Notice over here in the toolbar, you have an annotation, the ability to print and download. However, highlighting and annotating is done a little differently in this version. To annotate a text, I drag my cursor over the area I want to annotate. I hold the left click or left mouse button down. When I release, I get two icons, highlighter and annotation. To highlight, I click the highlight. Now notice this annotation icon is available, but when I click this one, and this is very important, when I post it, it disappears. I have to hover my mouse over that area for the comment to reappear. Because as an instructor, I want students to know I've made comments on their document or their assignment. Let's cancel that. Come over here and select this icon on the toolbar. I get crosshairs. When I click here, I get an icon denoting annotation. Type my comment. Now I have the icon to alert the student I've made comments. This is a major difference between CrocDoc and new box view. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the ITAS department.